Hello, girls. How are you? I'm Miss Trini, and today we're going to learn the vocabulary words about family. So, before learning the words with the flashcards, we're going to read a poem. The title of this poem is Families, and it is now circled in purple. That arrow is pointing where we're going to start reading. We always read from left to right and up and down. Pay attention because as I read, the vocabulary words are going to be circled in purple, okay? So, let's go. Families. Families are people who care about you. My family is special. Your family is too. Mothers and fathers, and sisters and brothers, grandmas and grandpas, babies and others. When we are together or far, far apart, the people I love feel all of my heart. Okay, so now the vocabulary words are circled in purple, and I am going to present them with the flashcards. So I'm going to say the word once, and then I am going to count up to 3 like this. 1, 2, 3, and we're going to say the word together, okay? Okay, let's go. Mum. 1, 2, 3. Mum. We also can say mother. 1, 2, 3. Mother. Dad. 1, 2, 3. Dad. We can also say father. 1, 2, 3. Father. Sister. 1, 2, 3. Sister. Brother. 1, 2, 3. Brother. Grandma. 1, 2, 3. Grandma. Grandpa. 1, 2, 3. Grandpa. Baby. 1, 2, 3. Baby. Okay, so now that we have learned the vocabulary words, we're going to read the poem one more time a little bit more slowly. Okay? Okay, let's go. Families. Families are people who care about you. My family is special. Your family is too. Mothers and fathers, and sisters and brothers, grandmas and grandpas, babies and others. When we are together or far, far apart, the people I love feel all of my heart. Okay, so now I have a game for you. Someone is going to visit us. Who is he? Wally! Yes, but he's gone. Can you help me call him out? 1, 2, 3. Wally! There he is. Hello, Wally, but he's gone again. Can you help me one more time? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Wally! There he is. Hello, Wally. So today we're going to play with Wally that's going to hide behind the vocabulary flashcards. Here are the flashcards, and now Wally is going to be gone. So bye-bye, Wally. Okay, so let's see. Where can Wally be? Maybe behind the brother. So everybody say at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Brother! No, Wally is not behind brother. Maybe behind the grandpa. So let's say grandpa at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Grandpa! No, he's not behind the grandpa. Maybe behind the mom. So let's say mom at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Mom! Yes, there is Wally. Very good, girls. So now Wally's going to hide one more time. Ready? Okay, bye-bye, Wally. Okay, so now let's see, where can Wally be? Maybe behind the grandma? Okay, let's say grandma at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Grandma! No, Wally's not behind the grandma. Maybe behind the baby? Okay, let's say baby at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Baby! Yes, we found Wally one more time. Okay, so now it's our last round. Wally's going to hide one more time. Bye-bye, Wally. Okay, so let's see. Wally maybe can be behind Dad. So everybody say Dad at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Dad! No, Wally's not behind the dad. Maybe behind the sister. So let's say sister at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Sister! Yes, very good, girls. We found Wally. Okay, so thank you, Wally, for playing with us. Bye-bye. And I hope that you liked the activity and the presentation. So bye-bye. A kiss for everybody. See you soon.